Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, the best place for all the activists, all the introverts, and all the non-profits who are making the first steps in business. And today, as every Friday, we are meeting in the book club, and today book review is it's Rich Dad Guide to Investing: What the Rich Invest in That the Poor and Middle Class Do Not, by Robert Kiyosaki. This is the author of the book which I actually reviewed before, Rich Dad Poor Dad. So if you didn't check it, please have a look. I'm going to link it in the comment section below. So this book is strictly about investing. As you can see, is the bigger book than Rich Dad Poor Dad. So what is the main takeaways from this book? First of all, that you always have a choice. You've got either choice to stay poor or a choice to be rich. This choice actually had to be made for every single individual, and it has to be conscious choice. Something what I understood not that long ago, actually, because it's not enough to hoping and dreaming for something to change. You have to make a conscious decision. That means that from this day on, no more bollocks, no more bullshit, no more procrastination. From now on, we actually working towards our future, and this has to be not negotiable. So number one takeaway, everything starts from the choice. Number two, everything starts from planning. No one is planning to be poor, but if you don't plan to be rich, of course you're gonna remain poor. It also touches about the investing, and majority of us thinking that investing is risky, and the Robert actually proved that it's nothing risky in investing, and you actually gamble with your life and with your future way more if you don't invest in anything at all. The chapter which was very interesting for me was why do rich people go bankrupt? So from 1 out of 10, I will give this book 8. The language in this book is absolutely brilliant. So it's mean even if you don't have any financial background, don't worry, you don't really have to know the lingo. All the books by Robert Kiyosaki are written actually very accessible language, which is big plus. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and share it with others. And as always, I'm gonna see you in next Monday. Bye!